Hi there and welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian, and in today's video, well, it's going to be different than normal because I don't know what we're going to do. And in fact, that's what I need your help with. I need you to tell me what you want to see me do next. All right, so let me show you what I've got. When I went on vacation, I got a whole pile of boards that all quit working. There's 4 of them in, to be exact. So let me show you what they did. Well, this one was just weak from the beginning, right? I mean, if I move this out of the way, I finally had to pull this out of the miner because it was causing the miner to constantly reset, because we've got 1 domain, 2 domain, 3 domains, 4 domains that are all the way 0 all the way across the domain. And then this domain actually has 1 chip that's just barely trying to hang in there and hash. There's a lot of other weak chips. This is board 5. So I pulled it out, right? I'm like, okay, it's causing the miner to restart because it's always trying to rebalance that domain. So that's one that got taken out. This one, let me see, I'll zoom in on it. Okay, so what do we have here? This is board 004, it's back. Now it says failed to 0 of 65 chips detected. And then it says, hey, 57 chips detected. And then it goes back to 0 of 65 chips detected. So there's something wrong with this board. I don't know what it is. I'll put it on the tester and I'll find out. My guess, because I think I remember board 004 from past videos, I bet when I put it on the tester, it's going to show you 65 chips. That means there's some weakness somewhere in the board. All right, next one. This is board 002. Back for fun. Now I'm going to show you 2 of them. Board 002 and, well, one of them is not board 002, is it? That's fun. Okay, this one's actually board 001. I'll fix that. Now, same problems. All right, so this is actually the one that I tried to fix before I went on vacation. I thought I had it. Actually, after I made the video, I tinkered with it a little bit more, and suddenly I got it to work. But now we're back to the same problem. So I have 2 boards with the same issue on them. And what is that issue? Well, it's simple. They both have the same problem. So we get 65 chips detected, 65 chips detected. And if I zoom in, you can see chain 0 since 2. So on this particular board, it happens to be in the number 1 slot of the miner, but no updates from the temp since. Boy, is that familiar. So I got 2 boards like that, right, that I need to fix. So 4 boards that are all offline that need repair. They're not going to be quick and easy. I think there's a lot of reflow work in this. And then there's the other project, the project that's been waiting. Haha, you see what this is? Let me see, I've got one of them up here. So this is the BitAxe board that I modified. I did the design for. I modified this particular diagram. Again, we'll go in close. I modified it so that it would take pins from a tester socket that I purchased from Thanos. And then my buddy John helped me out and made a special thermal pipe, if you will, that will allow it to touch the top of the heatsink and suck the heat right off the chip. We attached some S17 heat sinks to the top, thanks to a metal plate. Pretty cool, right? So this needs to be put together. And look at all the fun stuff. So I got this, right? Let me get this out of the way. All right. And then I got this whole box. Like here's more. I bought 5 of the boards. I got packages from DigiKey. And I have 7 pages of stuff from Mouser. Of all the stuff that's here for this board. So actually I bought enough from Mouser to build 5 of these boards. So I've got lots and lots to do. So what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see me work on these boards first and get that working? Or do you want me to work on the BitAxe and get this chip tester working? Now, I'll be honest with you. At first, I thought I might be able to fab these up and sell them. That's not going to happen, at least not anytime soon. But I will work on putting one of these together and showing you how it works. And then I'll release all my changes. But I wanted to wait on putting my circuit board changes out there until I'd actually tested one of these all the way through. Because I know Scott over at BitAxe, and if you're like, what the hell is BitAxe? Let me show you this. It's on GitHub. Great. So there it is. If you go look for Scott, S-K-O-T, and you do BitAxe, that's his project, you'll see, I mean, just like right now. So this, I'm filming this on 5/17 at noon. So you'll see that he just put fixes up an hour ago, right? So he's working on it. He's changing it. So I don't want to, and sadly, my circuit board that I made, and I made the modifications to, I'm going to have to look and see what he did, because I'm going to have to implement those changes on my board, possibly redesign the layout for a future run. So I'll do all that before I release that to you guys. If anyone just cannot wait, message me. And find me on Discord. That's probably the best place to find me. Find me on Discord. I'll share the files with you, but I don't want to release it to the general public until I have it fully working, or at least working enough that you're not going to be mad at me. So there you go. The choice is we work on the BitAxe project, or I work on fixing these 4 boards and getting them hashing again. What do you want? What would you like to see me do next? Be sure to comment down below. Let me know what it is. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications when I do put these videos out. Give it a like. I know this is a little bit different than my normal video where I'm normally actually fixing something. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That really does help YouTube figure out what videos to show other people on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you real soon.